Hi everyone, in this video I show you how to download and install any type of Linux with USB on PC. Open your favorite browser. On the search bar, type your favorite Linux type. I want to install Ubuntu. Hit enter. Open this first link. It is the latest version of Ubuntu. Like this, you can download any type of Linux you want. Click on download. It is start. It is around 6 GB, but I have already downloaded. Open new tab. Type here Ventoy, then hit enter. Scroll down. Open this GitHub link. I also share this link on the description. Scroll down. Click on Ventoy 99 release. Scroll down. Here we have Ventoy for different operating systems like Linux and Windows. We want to download for Windows. When you download, close your browser, open File Explorer, download. Here I have Ventoy and also Ubuntu. I want to copy Ventoy and Ubuntu on the desktop. Here we have Ubuntu and also Ventoy. Right click on Ventoy, extract all, extract. It is the extract one. In this step, you need one USB flash drive, 8 gig or above 8 gig. Connect your USB on the PC. I have this USB drive. Open this extract folder. Click on Ventoy. Find this one, ventoy2disk.exe. Double click. Click on yes. Ventoy will detect your USB flash drive automatically, and also you can select from this drop down. Click on install. If you get this warning, type this yes. It is case sensitive. Write capital like this. Okay. Click on yes. Again yes. Configuration. Okay. Now close it. Copy your image file. Open this PC. Open your flash drive. Paste here. Now connect your USB flash drive on that system you want to install Linux. I want to install Linux in this system. I have already connected the USB drive. Now restart your system. When you restart your system, press F12 for Dell computer, press F9 for HP. If you use other version, you can search on Google. Select USB drive, hit enter. Here we have one ISO, it is Ubuntu. Hit enter. Select boot on normal mode. Hit enter. We can install on different type. I recommend to install graphically. Select graphics. Guys, in this step, if you are new here, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to like this video. Click on install Ubuntu. Select your keyboard layout. It is by default United States. Okay, continue. It is by default normal installation. Okay, continue. Install Ubuntu. Okay, continue. From here you can select your location. Then click on Install Now. Click on Continue. Again, click on Continue. Now select your country. When you click on Map with mouse, you can select your country, any country you want. Select. Then Continue. Enter your username. I want to write here tour. Enter your password. Confirm your password. Continue. Now this step will take a few moments. Skip. Again, skip. This step takes some time. Restart now. Hit enter. Again, hit enter. Select your username. Enter your password. Hit enter. Now we successfully install Linux. Guys, if you want to install Call Linux on VMware Workstation, then watch this video. Have a good time.